Hi friends, I am Asmitha.
Welcome to my channel. Leah Borden is one of the most media-revealed transgender people in Slovenia. She lived as Janus for 42 years, got married, started a family, and then one evening decided to do what she had known since she was a child, that she should live as a woman. She was not alone on her journey. She is still married to her wife. Her teenage children have accepted the changes better than many adults, and most of her friends have stayed by her side. She can now live her true, unadulterated life. She felt like a girl at a young age. She kept wondering why she wasn't a girl, why she was being brought up as a boy. Feeling that female roles suited her better, she would secretly wear her mother's clothes and shoes to try to figure out what was happening to her. But the more she did this, the worse she felt. She shared her story in the media. My life was turned upside down one December evening in 2020. One evening between Christmas and New Year, I was sitting with my wife Sarah, and suddenly tears started flowing. A huge wave of sadness came out of my whole body. I sat there shivering, and Sarah just watched me, wondering what was happening. I couldn't even put it into words, and it took me about 45 minutes to cry out something that didn't even have a name. She recalls of that moment. The next day, still under the impression of the previous evening, she came across a video online about a trans woman, about her life and experience. When I watched it, the reaction from the previous evening was repeated. I burst into tears because for the first time in my life I felt that I had found a solution to my problem, which until then I had not even been able to put into words. For a few seconds, complete peace overwhelmed me, and then it hit me. You are 42 years old, family, career, friends, what to do with this now? The feelings turned from relief to complete horror. It was a schizophrenic time. On the one hand I had found a solution, and on the other hand I had completely complicated my life. After talking to a psychotherapist, she decided to face it, which meant having to talk openly with her loved ones. How do you explain this to the people you love most? Sarah and I got married as a heterosexual couple. As a man and a woman, we never thought about same-sex relationships. The risk that your partner won't understand this and leaves you is huge. Most transgender people lose everything. That was my biggest fear too. The revelation to her children followed, which, she said, left her speechless. My wife and I had been procrastinating and preparing for quite some time, but it turned out that this revelation was the easiest of all. When I told them, they burst into tears and we were all silent for the next 10 minutes. Then I asked them why they were crying, and they said it wasn't because of my transgenderism, but that they were worried because we had so many beautiful memories and now they might not be there anymore. We talked and realized that we were creating memories all the time so that we could create new ones. And then the older son said, "You taught us all our lives that we had to be able to accept being different. Why wouldn't you accept it with you?" That was it. From that moment on they never made a mistake with their pronouns. They started calling me Leah, and all of that gave me hope for the future. Then I slowly revealed myself to others. The first 10 times were so painful that I had a huge crisis every time. The thought of suicide was a common thread that dragged on for at least a year and a half. And even now there are moments of crisis, she said honestly. The children gave me the impetus to then go to my parents, but it didn't go so well and it still doesn't. Unfortunately, I'm currently persona non grata for them. Of the friends I hoped would stay in my life, most of them are there, but a few have left. When she cleaned it up and posted it on Facebook and Twitter, the media approached her and asked her to share her story. So she decided to start talking about it publicly and try to soften this Slovenian, rather hard soul, this world of ours, a little bit. Transgender people have a lot of problems and challenges. The transition itself is extremely demanding, both medically and socially and formally. Introducing yourself to the world and hoping that it doesn't reject you is scary, she emphasized and warned. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching this video.